Hi guys, I'm back with another recipe, and today we're making kare-kare. Now kare-kare is a Filipino dish that is usually made with oxtail or some tripe, but this time I'm using chicken drumstick. So the ingredients are of course chicken drumstick. I have eggplant, bokchoy, string beans or sitaw, garlic, onion. I have here banana blossoms or puso ng saging. I have 4 cups of water, salt, pepper, achwete powder for coloring, peanut butter, and vegetable oil. Okay, let's get cooking. Okay, I'm gonna start off by adding around 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And then I'm gonna add our onions and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. After about 3 minutes, I'm just gonna add probably 1 to 2 teaspoons of our achwete powder or annatto powder. This will give you the color of the kare-kare. Then later on, if the color is not enough for you, you can still add more. I'm also gonna add in our garlic. And continue cooking for about 2 minutes. Okay, so our garlics and onions are cooked. I'm gonna add in our chicken drumstick. I just got this out of the freezer and I thawed it for a few hours. Continue cooking it until it's golden brown or a little brown in color, and then we can add our other ingredients. Okay, now I can add some salt to flavor our chicken. Mix well. Then I can add our water. I'm gonna let it boil up to 10 minutes. Or probably I need more water. Probably I need 2 more cups. Okay, so here's 2 more cups of water. And then I'm just gonna cover it and let it simmer for around 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, as you can see, it's boiling now. And I think it lacks color, so I'm still gonna add maybe whatever is left in here, just for the color. And then I can also add in my peanut butter. So it really depends on you how much peanut butter you would like. I'm using a chunky peanut butter. You could use creamy peanut butter. You could use natural peanut butter. It's all up to you guys. So I just use a heaping teaspoon. This is my second. And then my third. I'm gonna mix it well. And then later on, you're gonna see that the sauce is thicker, and that's what we want. Okay, I'll get back to you. Okay, as you can see guys, the sauce is getting thicker. Now I can add my string beans. I'm gonna wait for a few minutes until it's almost soft. I can also add some pepper. And then a little more salt. You have to taste this dish as you go along, guys. Then I'll just continue mixing. Okay, so for your information, I got another spoonful of our peanut butter. Now I can add our puso na saging or our banana blossoms. And then I'm gonna add in our eggplant as well. This won't take long until all the vegetables are soft. So I'll give it around 5 minutes. And I'll get back to you. Okay, so if you want it more creamier than this, obviously you could add more peanut butter. But right now, last but not least, I'm gonna add in our bokchoy. And then just let it boil one more time, and then we have our dish. So there you go, guys. This is my version of kare-kare or chicken kare-kare. And I hope you give this a try. And please let me know what you think. Thank you.